Hello, welcome to another tutorial for ThemePoints.com. In this video, I'll show you how to sort your team members by drag and drop method for the free version of our Team Showcase WordPress plugin. To do this, you'll need to download a plugin called Simple Custom Post Order. You can download this from wordpress.org/plugins or from your dashboard under Plugins and add new plugins. Once the plugin is installed and active, go to Settings and look for SCP Order. This is the settings page for the Simple Custom Post Order plugin. On the plugin settings page, check the box next to Team Showcase. We want this plugin to work for our Team Showcase plugin. Once checked, update the settings. Now go to your Team Showcase and then All Members page and try out how easy it is to reorder your team members. This additional plugin is only required for a free version of the Team Showcase plugin. Our pro version of the Team Showcase plugin has this feature enabled without the requirement of downloading additional plugins. Check out the features of the pro version of our Team Showcase plugin mentioned in the description below.